Hi, welcome to eSpares. I'm Matt. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your Hoover Tumble Dryer if it is displaying the error code E15. If you've noticed that the error code E15 is being displayed on your machine's display panel, then this indicates that there is a problem with the heating element. You may have also noticed that your clothes are not being dried correctly, and I'll show you how to fix that in this video. Let's take a look. Now, safety first. Always unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. The tool you will need for this fix is a Phillips screwdriver. Now we need to remove the heater cover by unscrewing the 10 screws that hold it in place. With the heater cover removed, here we can see the heating element and the two thermostats. Undo the two screws that hold it in place and lift it away. Now we can fit our new heating element. When replacing the heating element on a tumble dryer, it's important to make sure that you have the right one. And we'll include a link in the description below for our range of heating elements available at eSpares. Before we fix the error code E15 on your Hoover Tumble Dryer, it's a great idea to make sure that you're using your machine effectively and correctly. A great way to do that is to use these Tumble Dryer Balls. Now, these energy-saving Tumble Dryer Balls are a great way to cut down on your drying time, saving you money without the need for the use of harsh chemicals. And you can find out all about these brilliant Tumble Dryer Balls in our video here. Start by connecting the electrical connections. These are all color-coded, so it's fairly simple to do. Push the connected electrical connections back into the machine. Replace the foam bung to keep them in place. And then you can hook the new heating element over the back of the machine before screwing the two screws in place. Once the heating element is secure, you can refit your cover. So there we have it, how to fix the error code E15 on your Hoover Tumble Dryer. Now that your machine is back in shape, it's a good idea to make sure that you're treating it right. This will help your machine to work efficiently and also make it last longer. Check out our video here on how to clean your tumble dryer. And before you go, make sure that you subscribe to our channel for more repair guides, maintenance advice, and all other things related to eSpares. Thanks for watching.